Hello, it's me, Oscar from Marijuana Garden.
So, scientists at ETH Zurich have unlocked a glowing breakthrough, literally, by infusing wood with bioluminescent fungi to create a natural, light-emitting material. Using honey fungus, which actually glows green in the dark, they engineered a biodegradable wood-fungi hybrid that lights up without electricity or batteries. This living material gives off a soft, ambient glow, making it just perfect for parks, pathways, and off-grid spaces, merging sustainability with innovation. As cities look for eco-friendly ways to cut energy use and reduce light pollution, this discovery really signals a bold new era of biodesign, where nature lights the way quietly, beautifully, and without the need for power.